Hello and welcome to a quick video on scraping data from tables on the web using Python and specifically the pandas library. So let's suppose that you've stumbled upon some interesting data on a website in the format of tables. In this case, it's weight data for different ages for both males and females. So here you see all the weight data for the males with all the different percentiles, the 3rd percentile, 10th, 50th, and so on. And down here we see the same thing for females in a separate table. Now, if you wanted to extract all of this data and somehow manipulate it, one thing you could do would be to simply highlight all of it like so, and then copy paste it into an Excel sheet or something like that, then manipulate it from there. But there is a more elegant way to do it. You can go to this little Python notebook I wrote right here, and use the pandas library. First, we're going to import all these libraries here, pandas, numpy, and matplotlib. And then we're going to use this function called read.html from pandas, which is going to go to this website that we specify, and then essentially look through the whole source code like so, and determine that there's 2 tables available. It's going to extract those 2 tables and save them as a list of data frames. We run this, we extract the data, and we can see that the return value is actually a list. That list contains 2 pandas data frames, where the 0th entry is the data frame for the males, and the 1st entry is the data frame for the females. Now we can extract those 2 individual data frames very easily, and just print the header to make sure that the data gets imported correctly. And looks like that's correct. We get the age in months and 3rd percentile and so on and so forth. Now it's pretty straightforward to manipulate the data however we want, maybe make some plots of it. So that's what I'm doing here. Just plotting the male data here with the x value being the age in months and the y value being the 50th percentile, which I think would be the median of the data, if I'm not mistaken. And we give it a label, we plot it versus month, like so. And we can also do the same thing by plotting it versus years, by simply dividing the age in months by 12. Run this, we get 2 charts like so. Here we see it for months and here for years. So it looks like, in this case, the 2 data values seem pretty consistent until the age of 13, but they seem to diverge. Alright, so that was just a quick explanation of how you can extract data from websites using pandas. The link to this source code is available in the description if you want to play around with it. Otherwise, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.